If you want to change the door code on a Ford F-150, you'll need the factory master code first. Every F-150 has one, and it cannot be erased. Start by finding the factory code. It's usually on a card in the owner's manual, or on a sticker behind the glove box, under the dash, or behind the fuse panel. Some newer models also show it in the vehicle settings if you have access to the infotainment system. Once you have the factory code, go to the keypad on the driver door. Enter the factory code completely. The door locks should unlock to confirm it worked. Within 5 seconds, press the 1 to 2 button on the keypad. Then, enter your new 5-digit personal code. The doors will lock and unlock to confirm the new code is saved. You can add additional personal codes by repeating the process and pressing a different keypad button, like 3 to 4 or 5 to 6, before entering the new code. To erase all personal codes, enter the factory code, then press and hold the 7 to 8 and 9 to 0 buttons at the same time for a few seconds. This removes all custom codes but keeps the factory code active. If the keypad doesn't respond, make sure you're pressing the buttons firmly and not too quickly. Also check that the keypad is clean and dry. Quick recap: find the factory code, enter it on the keypad, press 1 to 2, enter your new code, and confirm. Use the factory code anytime to add or delete personal codes. Like and subscribe if I helped you.